So it was a very dangerous moment for a driver because he was feeling nervousness and uncomfortable. He take risk for his life, but unfortunately he can't survive. At the end, he died. Complete video watch.
Good. Be good. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Okay. Nobody got it. I got it. You got the whole thing.
Yeah, he appears fine. He seems okay.
So this is my channel. You can subscribe it for new informative and more informational and educational videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.